guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Beauty Forever Hair Company. They sent me over their no slip Yaki straight unit, so let's get into the details. This is what the wig looks like right out of the box. The parting space on this wig is 7 by 5 and it is a bye knots wig, so it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and the lace is already cut for us. It is a glueless wig, so they added in some extra bands in the inside for some extra security, as well as the drawstring elastic band all the way in the back. The cap on this wig is a stretchy dome cap, so you do not have to worry about the wig not fitting. This wig will fit nice and snug on your head. So to start off, I'm just going ahead and using that elastic band that they added to the ends of the frontal, and I pushed that on my head first and tightened up that drawstring elastic band. That way, once I adjust that wig, it is fitting snug on my head and it's not going nowhere. Guys, this wig fits super comfortable. I will say that is like my first impression, and I am absolutely in love with this lace, y'all. This lace is literally blending into my skin, and I have not even glued it down or anything. And I'm actually not going to glue this wig down because I want you guys to see just how glueless this wig really is. Like, it lives up to the name for sure. So I went ahead and stood up so you guys can see what the hair looks like right out of the box. It is a Yaki straight texture, so it's not like bone straight, but it does still have that nice silky kind of texture without being like too silky. It can definitely mimic a natural blowout hair texture. So now that we've gotten into the details of this hair, let's go ahead and get the top of that head nice and flat. So I'm going in with my wax stick like usual, and I'm pressing that at the top of my hair just to make sure that that is coated with that product before I go in with my hot comb. This just makes the hair a little bit more sleek. And as far as flyaways, they will be non-existent when you use a wax stick, and that's why I literally swear by using a wax stick on the top of my wigs. And as you guys can see, the difference is clear. Y'all see it. That is one side already pressed with the wax and the hot comb, and the other side is not. So if you are a beginner at home and you're just getting into wigs, I think these are the two main things that you need to invest in. You need to invest in, obviously, a good quality wig. So I could say three things, y'all. A good quality wig, a really good hot comb that gets nice and hot, and a wax stick. So now that we've went ahead and got the top of that lace nice and flat, the top of that head is nice and flat, let's go ahead and get into this hair, y'all. So the texture of this hair, like I said before, is a Yaki straight texture. And although it's already pretty straight, we want it to be even straighter. So I'm going in with my Babyliss flat irons, and I'm just pressing that as flat as I can. Guys, this wig is so fire. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I am actually impressed. Like, I've worked with Beauty Forever Hair Company before, but I think this might be my favorite wig from them. I love the Yaki straight. I love that it is completely glueless. I do not have to wear any glue. I can literally just throw it on and go, like the definition of a ready-to-go wig. And the lace looks fire. The hair feels really good, and it's nice and full too. This wig is 200% density, so it is nice and full. And the bands that they added into the inside of this wig just makes it feel so much more secure. Shout out to Beauty Forever Hair Company once again for sending me over this wig. I think it is very much bomb. I will leave all the details down below in my description box in case you guys are interested in purchasing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.